Hi everyone, it's Joy, the Director of Education at PBS Reno, and today I have a joyful moment to share with you. We are going to make a rocket. It's gonna be amazing. So if you download our rocket template and instructions from Ready, Jet, Go, you're going to use this template and you're going to cut along the dotted lines to make a long rectangle shape, just like that. Then you're also gonna cut out the 3 triangles. Cut along those dotted lines. If you cannot print this out, you can just cut out a long rectangle shape and 3 small triangles. All right, now I'm gonna take a straw. I kind of have a fancy straw, but it doesn't need to be a fancy straw. And you're gonna take the rectangle piece and you're going to roll the straw in the paper, like this. And then you're gonna tape it so it stays in a cylinder shape. Then you're gonna take the straw out. Now I'm gonna take the top and I'm gonna fold it over and I'm gonna tape that, okay, so that no air can get through. That's the top of our rocket. Taping it shut. Now I'm gonna take these 3 triangles and I am going to tape them onto my rocket, to the bottom of the rocket. There's one. All right, here we go. I have my rocket now. Now what I need to do is I need to take a plastic water bottle, then take the lid off and ask for a grown-up's help, but you're gonna use the scissors and you're gonna poke a hole in the lid that's big enough to fit the straw in. Let me see if my straw will fit in that hole. Perfect, look at that. Okay, then I'm gonna put the lid back on. And I'm gonna use some tape. I have some fun colored tape. It just makes my rocket a little bit more fun. And I'm going to tape the top of this so it seals that hole in there so the air doesn't get through. But you just wanna make sure that that seal is nice and tight. Then I'm gonna put my rocket on here. And then, like all good rockets do, we have to have a countdown. Are you ready? 3, 2, 1, blast off! If you want to do more fun activities like this at home, visit our website at pbsreno.org. Thanks for joining me.
Thanks for watching. Please subscribe to see more joyful moments. And you can find other fun activities at pbsreno.org.